How to see who shared your Instagram reel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see if we can see who have shared your Instagram reel or not. So to find out that, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure to log in with your Instagram account. Once you're logged in now, to view your Instagram reel, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, please scroll down a bit and then tap on reel icon, and from here navigate to that reel where you like to see who have shared it. Tap on it. Now once you're on your reel, tap on view inside button from the bottom left corner. You will only have view inside options if you have switched your Instagram account to professional account. So tap on view insights. Here, scroll down a bit, and under reel interaction there is shares option. So as of the latest update, you can only view the number of shares of your Instagram reel, but you won't be able to see who have shared it. So under this, you will be able to see the number of shares but not the person who have shared it as of the latest Instagram update. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.